National Paper Bag Day, July 12th. Paper bags are an environment-friendly alternative to the harmful plastic bags. Paper Bag Day is celebrated worldwide on July 12th. The day aims to spread awareness about using paper bags instead of plastic to help reduce plastic waste that take thousands of years to decompose. It is important to understand the ill effects of single-use plastic bags. Due to globalization, climate change, and scarcity of raw materials, people are adopting sustainable lifestyle choices, and paper bag is one of them. It reduces the use of plastic bag which causes pollution and are non-biodegradable. History. In 1852, an American inventor, Francis Woolley, established the first paper bag machine. The mother of the grocery bag, Margaret E. Knight, in 1870 designed the square, flat-bottomed bag and the machine that would fold and paste them. In 1883, Charles Tillwell invented the machine that can produce square-bottomed paper bags with pleated sides, making them easier to fold and store. In 1912, Walter Dubner used a cord to reinforce paper bags and add carrying handles. Over the years, several inventors came and improved the production of paper bags. Interesting facts about paper bags. Paper bags are almost 100% recyclable and can decompose within just a month. A paper bag can hold around 10 to 14 items and are quite sturdy. It takes less energy to manufacture paper bags as compared to plastic bags. Paper bags are safer for pets and other animals. Paper bags can be reused at home and can even be used to make compost. So, let's make the planet healthier and opt for the eco-friendly option of paper bags instead of plastic. Advantages of paper bags. Paper bags are eco-friendly. Paper bags are made up of renewable resources and so are easily recyclable. Paper bags are biodegradable. Paper bags can be easily composted in a home composter. Paper bags are inexpensive and practical to use. Paper bags helps in curbing the pollution caused due to plastic and the serious threat it poses to the natural environment. Paper bags are also more preferred by many who are conscious about the environment and appreciate brands that opt for paper instead of plastic. Paper bag is an innovation which has acted as a boon to mankind due to its environment-friendly nature. So, eradicate plastic and safeguard Earth. Thank you.